Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hope, and if you haven't seen the previous video that I posted, we are currently renovating our home. The main living area and the kitchen were gutted, and we put an addition on the back of the house. That's kind of what's going on behind this door here. As you can see, our animals cannot wait for that door to be open again. Actually, it won't even be existing when the project's done. It's just temporary to keep the animals in the other half of the house, especially when there's workers here. We just don't want anything to happen to them. Oh, she is so ornery. But I just wanted to get this little introduction filmed for you guys before you see the next clip. I went ahead and filmed basic game plan that we have for the renovations and what's going to happen. And I really hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you in advance for watching. Okay, I wanted to share with you guys our game plan for our renovations. Over here is our front door. We plan on replacing that with something more modern, and then this wall and the wall where the fireplace is still needs to be ripped out. I'm not sure why they didn't do that when they ripped out the other wall and the ceiling, but that's okay. That still needs to be done. And then I think the big change is going to be the fireplace. We originally thought that the brick went all the way up to the ceiling, but it doesn't, and our plan of whitewashing it is kind of out the window at the moment, so we're thinking of building it out and maybe putting in a gas insert or something like that. We haven't really decided, but that needs to get a makeover. And then another nice thing about this space that we didn't have before is because we're bolting the ceilings, we're able to put a fan in, so that'll probably be centered in with the window in this space somewhere in there, and we'll have a fan, which is going to be so nice. And then over here in the kitchen, the base cabinets still need to be torn out, but they're trying to keep them put in as long as possible. That way we still have somewhat use of our kitchen. They did go ahead and build us in this pantry to hide our Renai. We just didn't want to have to move it because of the extra cost, so we decided to hide it with a pantry. So there's going to be shelving and all that in there, and it'll actually be of use. And we'll have an island, and obviously upper cabinets and the base cabinets are going to be redone. And then the biggest difference is the washer and dryer. It will no longer be in the kitchen, which is going to be so nice. That'll have its own laundry room, and we're very excited for that, mostly me, but yeah, we're very excited. And then let's see, this will be our new dining room. Lots of work still to be done. That's pretty basic, so we'll have a new dining space, and it'll all be open and just more roomy. And over here we have what I'm calling the sunroom. I love the big windows to see out the backyard, so we'll just have like an extra sitting room slash sunroom. And then this will also have a fan in this space. And then we have a door here that is going to lead to our laundry room, and then of course a door that leads to the backyard. So we'll have our washer and dryer here. Cabinets will be up here. I'm not sure if it'll be, I'm assuming it'll be 4 cabinets up top, which will be nice to help hide, you know, our laundry stuff. And then over here is just going to be blank for now. We might do built-ins in the future. I'm not really sure yet. But there's that. There's my cute dog, who's really excited for all the extra space. And then here's another door that leads into this room. It can either be an office or a guest room. There is no closet in here, so I'm not sure exactly what we're doing yet, but probably going to make it a guest bedroom and then just have a dresser. That way if anyone needs to put clothes anywhere, there's going to be a space. And then of course there's another window to the backyard. And then that's pretty much it. There is a temporary door right now that goes to the hallway. The hallway still needs to be gut. Oh, are you okay? She just slipped on the floor. But anyways, the hallway still needs to be gutted, the ceiling and the drywall, and then the doors in there are all these wooden doors, so those need to be replaced with nice white doors. And that's pretty much it. That's kind of the game plan. We're super excited. Branson did go ahead and clean up all the wires. It already looks 10 times better, and he started putting in the ceiling lights. There's still so much more to wire up, but yeah, we're super excited to keep the process going, to keep it moving, and just hopefully have it done as soon as possible.